Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Wyoming. Wyoming, home to Yellowstone National Park. Now hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit Wyoming's reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Wyoming recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Wyoming allow you to carry a gun without a permit? Yes, constitutional carry is legal in the state of Wyoming. Does Wyoming allow for open carry of guns? Yes, any person who is at least 18 years of age and legally allowed to carry a firearm in another state can openly carry without a permit. Is concealed carry legal in Wyoming? Permitless concealed carry is considered legal for any U.S. resident at least 18 years of age and lawfully allowed to possess a firearm. If a Wyoming resident wishes to obtain a carry permit, they must apply through the county sheriff's office. The actual permit is then issued by the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Wyoming? Wyoming is what is known as a shall issue state. Shall issue means if you meet all the state requirements, your CFP cannot be denied. All concealed firearms permits or CFP applications in the state are processed by the county sheriff's office. Approved permits are then issued by the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Wyoming? Yes, you are legally allowed to carry a concealed handgun in your private vehicle as long as you are at least 21 years of age and lawfully allowed to possess a handgun. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Wyoming? Yes, you are legally allowed to carry a concealed firearm without a permit at roadside rest areas as long as you are 21 years of age and lawfully allowed to possess a handgun. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Wyoming? Yes, you are legally allowed to carry a concealed firearm in parks, forests, or other wildlife management areas without a permit as long as you meet the required criteria. However, it is prohibited to use a firearm in these state or federally protected areas unless you have clearance from the State Fish and Game Commission. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Wyoming? You are legally allowed to concealed carry in the restaurant or dining area of an establishment serving alcohol without a permit, as long as you meet the required criteria. If there is a posting by the restaurant stating otherwise, you must honor that posting. You are not allowed to conceal carry in bars or the bar portions of restaurants. Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Wyoming? Wyoming does not have any statutes directly addressing concealed carry on hotel properties. We recommend that you contact the individual hotel to inquire about their concealed carry policies, as each hotel may have its own. What state asked the most questions?
What?
Wyoming.
Wyoming just passed a bill where you can now harvest roadkill.
Really?
Yeah, now I can finally get my steak tire. How many states recognize my Wyoming permit? 14 states recognize full reciprocity in Wyoming, and 22 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Wyoming. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Wyoming? Since this question varies from county to county, we recommend you check your local government's website and visit the Wyoming Reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com for the most up-to-date information. What is the legal age for handgun purchase and a concealed carry permit in Wyoming? The minimum age is 21 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, Wyoming shares reciprocity with 36 additional states. Please refer to concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity maps for more information.
Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Wyoming? Wyoming law mandates that you do not have a legal duty to inform the law enforcement officers that you are carrying concealed unless the officer specifically asks. However, we do recommend informing the officer in the spirit of cooperation and responsible concealed carry etiquette. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Wyoming? Yes, these signs are enforced in Wyoming. It is considered criminal trespass if someone knowingly enters an establishment with a concealed weapon if there are communications or signs posted, or if someone from the establishment notifies them. You must honor these signs. Does Wyoming have any red flag laws? No, Wyoming does not have a red flag law. Does Wyoming state law define brandishing? There is no explicit mention or definition of brandishing in Wyoming state laws. However, there is an applicable reckless endangering charge associated with knowingly pointing a firearm at or in the direction of someone else. Does Wyoming have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? It is considered unlawful to carry a loaded firearm while intoxicated or under the influence of a controlled substance according to the Game and Fish Code. As a general caution, any responsible gun owner should never carry while under the influence of something that can affect judgment or safe handling. I live in Wyoming, so I called my insurance.
Why?
I had to ask what would happen if Yellowstone ever erupted, and they said not to worry. I would be covered.
Why are cowboys' hats turned up on the sides?
Why?
So that 3 people can fit in the pickup. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Wyoming with a concealed carry license? Wyoming state law does not permit anyone, even if they are 21 years of age and lawfully allowed to possess a firearm, to conceal carry any type of firearm besides a handgun. Is it legal to own a taser or stun gun in Wyoming? Yes. Wyoming residents are able to purchase their own tasers or stun guns without any type of permit. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Wyoming? Yes. Wyoming residents are within their legal rights to buy and use chemical or pepper sprays. Does Wyoming have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? No. Wyoming has no magazine capacity restrictions. Does Wyoming have ammunition restrictions? Wyoming does not have any type of restrictions on ammunition types or amounts.
Does Wyoming issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? No, Wyoming does not issue permits to any non-residents. Non-residents wishing to concealed carry in the state can do so if they are 21 years of age and lawfully allowed to possess a handgun. Does Wyoming allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? There is no public registry for private citizens to access registry information on people with CFPs. However, law enforcement can view this information. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Wyoming? No, you are not required to secure a permit before purchasing a handgun in Wyoming. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Wyoming? No, private firearm sales in Wyoming are not subject to background checks. However, federal regulations still apply. Do handguns need to be registered in Wyoming? No, handguns do not need to be registered in the state of Wyoming. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Wyoming? A resident must be at least 18 years old to possess or transport a handgun in Wyoming.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.